Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the straightforward process of connecting your PlayStation 3 to a wireless network. It's the only way to get your console online for updates and multiplayer fun. First, power on your console and head over to the XMB menu. Look for the Settings icon, then select Network Settings to begin our setup. This will open up the crucial configuration options. Once in Network Settings, select Internet Connection Settings. You'll see a warning about disconnecting, just confirm it. Next, choose the Easy Setup method. This simplifies the process significantly. Then, you'll be prompted to select your connection method. Make sure to pick Wireless to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. This ensures a smooth and quick setup for your console. Now, the system will ask you to scan for available wireless networks. Select Scan and wait a few moments for your PlayStation 3 to detect nearby Wi-Fi signals. Once the list appears, find and select your home network. Most modern networks use WPA2PSK or WPA2PSK security, so confirm that setting. This step is crucial for identifying your specific network. Finally, you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi network's password, often called the WPA key. Type it carefully using the on-screen keyboard. After entering, review all your settings one last time to ensure accuracy, then save them. The console will then prompt you to perform an internet connection test. This test confirms that your PlayStation 3 is successfully connected and ready to go online. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.